today's video, we're going to be installing the sprint booster on my car. Sprint booster is a device that you put in line with your gas pedal that gives you a better throttle response to increase your performance. There's two options on the controller: race mode and sport mode. Each one has 9 different settings. First, before we do the install, I'm gonna wash the car because it's so dirty. Okay, let's start the install. First, we have to move the seat all the way back, then remove the floor mats. You need to use a small flathead screwdriver to take out the cap on the screw. And the screw is a T30 Torx bit. So you need a T30 screwdriver to take it out. Then lift the pedal up to release it from the bracket. Then unplug the connector on the back of the pedal. The sprint booster controller works on manual transmission and automatic transmission. So in my case, my car is automatic, so I have to flip the switch to automatic before connecting the controller. Install the sprint booster in line between the pedal and the connector. Then connect the controller to the sprint booster. Put back the screw on the pedal, then run the controller wire under the dash. Put back the plastic cap on the screw, then tie wrap the controller wire to the sprint booster. If you're new to the channel for the first time, I suggest you subscribe and hit that bell notification sign so you will be advised if I upload new videos. If you're interested in this sprint booster, I'll put down the link in the description below for you to check it out. And now it's time for the test drive. We're gonna turn it on, put it on sport mode number 9. try race mode number 9. So this is number 9 race mode. See in Sports Plus, race mode 9. So the car feels so fast right now, and when I step on the gas it accelerates so quickly. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.